Okay, the goal in solving a literal equation is to get a designated variable by itself. So they'll tell you which letter you're solving for, so you got to read carefully. The first one, a equals 1/2 bh for b. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this so that if you take the bh and put it on top of the numerator like this, it makes it easier to solve. Now the 1 is optional at that point because it's got variables with it, and I'm solving for b. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle the letter that I'm solving for because we have to get rid of everything else. Now the first step is getting rid of the fraction by multiplying each side by the denominator. So the denominator is 2. So I'm going to put a 2 on each side. So that gives me 2a equals bh, and then top cancels with bottom because 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now this is b times h, so the opposite of times is divide. So I'm going to divide by whatever's not circled. So divide by h on both sides. So 2a over h, now b is by itself, and we're finished. This next one, p equals w over a. I'm still going to do like I said before, get rid of the fraction of the denominator by multiplying both sides by that. So I'm going to multiply both sides by a. So I get AP equals top cancels with bottom, so W. Now to get the a by itself, this is a times p, so the opposite of times is divide. So just divide by everything that's not circled. Top cancels with bottom, now a is by itself, W over p. Okay, the next one, I have S equals 3f minus 24. Okay, the first step, anything stuck to f gets saved for last. Anything stuck to the variable that you're solving for gets saved for last. So the first step is to do the opposite of negative 24, which is a positive 24. So I'm going to add 24 to both sides. So that's going to give me s plus 24 equals 3f. Now that's 3 times f, so I'm going to divide by everything that's not circled. Divide both sides by 3. I'm actually going to split it apart like this. You'll see why in a moment. So s over 3 does not simplify, plus 24 divided by 3 does simplify. It's 8 equals top cancels with bottom, f. So this is actually my final answer if you want to simplify it correctly. Okay, PV equals nRT. We're solving for r. So PV equals nRT. Okay, this is all being multiplied here, n times r times t. So like I've been saying, just multiply by, divide by everything that's not circled. So I've got PV over NT equals top cancels with bottom, the r is by itself, and I'm finished.